Hi, it's Jana Eubank with Simple Stories, and I'm here at scrapbook.com to introduce you to the So Happy Together collection. This cheerful collection is perfect for capturing all those moments with your family and friends. I love this beautiful paper with the happy floral as the first sheet. And on the back is a sunny yellow gingham check. Take a look at this happy neighborhood with all of those colorful houses. Wouldn't you like to paint your house those colors? I love these tiny little hearts floating all around. That would be a really sweet background. This coral floral is so sweet and so cheerful. And on the back of that one, we have this aqua floral pattern. There's even more florals in this collection. Look at this smaller scaled one with the speckles in the background. The back of this paper is the most gorgeous tan wood grain. How cute would these little frames be cut out with all the little tiny pictures of your family put together in a family tree? And then here's a navy tone-on-tone floral that would be great for a background. This beautiful yellow paper has large floral clusters in each corner that would highlight a special family photo. I love the black and white confetti dot on the other side, just a great neutral to mix in with the other patterns. Here's another floral with a navy background, so sweet. This has got to be my favorite paper with all of these cute little sayings and heartfelt sentiments with the little tiny hearts interspersed everywhere. Here's a soft robin's egg gingham check and this coral polka dot. Look at the 2x2 element squares. We have the word love that you could cut out and use as a title, but we also have lots of images from home, like the colorful houses, the mailbox, the grocery basket, the chairs, even some books for you book lovers out there. The other side features these colorful triangles. Here are the 3x4 element cards. I love the stacked storage boxes, the vases with the flowers. You even have a storage trunk where you store your memories, and a camera with a heart. The back of this piece is this beautiful plaid. The 4x4 cards features one of my favorite icons, this happy little moving box with the hearts sprinkling out. Wouldn't that be cute for a new home? Here's a multicolored stripe that would be great accent. And then the 4x6 elements, more colorful houses, the floral cluster, this great oval piece. You could cut that out and place a photo behind that one, and home is where the heart is. And another wonderful floral that would be great for layering with the other patterns in this collection. This is the 12x12 combo cardstock stickers, and just look at all the fun things. You've got this family phrase, the houses. I love the books on the bookshelf, the flowers, the wreath. In addition to the 12 pattern papers, we have the Simple Basics solids. On the back of the solids are these little sweet tiny polka dots, perfect for your page backgrounds or for creating a gift box. Take a look at the bits and pieces. There's so many cute florals to go with this collection, and I love all the icons about living at home. Home is where your story begins, and let us help you tell yours. We also have the journal bits and pieces, and just look at these cute frames that have little quotes in them. They look like you could hang them on the walls of your home. Add dimensional layers to your project with the chipboard pieces. You have this nice large love title. I love the little houses that you could line up in a row. Wouldn't that be so cute on a note card welcoming someone to your neighborhood? We also have these dimensional bowls with their shiny gold paper clips. Add accents to your project with the enamel dots. They come in a dark navy, 2 colors of pink, yellow, and green. This floral stencil is gorgeous and is definitely a must-have for your stencil collection. Create notes for your friends and families and neighbors with this really cute clear stamp set. You have a friendly little house that would be perfect for taking a treat to your neighbor, telling them how thankful you are for them, and also all these cute sentiments like from our home to yours, you mean the world to me, you brighten my day, life is beautiful. This mini sticker tablet with 12 sticker sheets is so cute. It's full of words and phrases, florals, lots of quotes and sayings, perfect for card making, but also perfect for adding to your journals or calendars. I just love our 6x8 paper pads. They're perfect to use with the snap binders, and they're also great for card making and scrapbooking. If you like to layer up pattern papers on your projects, they're great for that as well with their smaller scale patterns and prints. You can use the larger quote pages as home decor, just add them to a frame. This is the So Happy Together collection, perfect for capturing your memories with friends and family any time of year. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.